Hi friends, we have a triangle ABC. AC is equal to x and BC is equal to x. AB is equal to square root of 2, right? AC is equal to BC is equal to x and AB is equal to square root of 2. And angle C is 30 degree. We have to find out perimeter of this triangle, right? As two sides are equal, so triangle is isosceles. Right? Now, angle A is equal to angle B. This and this will be same. So, 180 minus 30 over 2. So angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 75 degree. Right? Now we go with second step. Right? A, B and C. If we draw a perpendicular from point A to line BC, let this point is L, right? And this angle is 30 degree. Now we take triangle ALC. Right? This is perpendicular, so this will be 90 degree. Now in triangle ALC, AL is equal to AC sine 30 degree. Right? AC is X sine 30 degree. Right? Or we can say x into half is equal to x by 2. This AL will be x by 2. Right? Now we will find LC. So LC is equal to square root of x square minus this square, x square minus x square by 4, right? So LC will be equal to square root of 3 into x over 2, right? LC, total length x. So LC will be equal to this, right? And AL is this. Okay. Now we go to third step. A, B, C, X, perpendicular L, this is x by 2 and square root of 2, right? Now we will take this triangle ABL, right? So AL square plus AL square plus BL square will be equal to AB square, right? AL square plus BL will be BC minus LC square, right? Is equal to AB square. as AL is this x by 2. Square plus BC is x minus LC is this square root of 3/2 into x square, right, is equal to AB is square root of 2 square, right? Now x square over 4 plus, if we expand this, we get x square minus 2x into square root of 3/2 x plus 3/4 x square is equal to 2, right? If we simplify this, we get 2 minus square root of 3 x square is equal to 2, right? So x square is equal to 2 over 2 minus square root of 3. If we multiply by its conjugate, 2 plus square root of 3 over 2 plus square root of 3, right? So we get 4 plus 2 square root of 3, right? So x square will be equal to square root of 4 plus 2 square root of 3. This value will be 1 plus square root of 3, right? Now perimeter will be equal to AB plus BC plus AC, right? So AB is square root of 2 plus double of this, right? 2, 1 plus square root of 3, because BC is equal to AC, right? So perimeter will be 4 plus 2 square root of 3, right?